Hey everyone, my name's Charles, and today I'm showing you guys how to do this makeup look right here, and this is just my everyday go-to makeup routine when I'm going to classes or just going to work or just doing errands and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and I just used color corrector to clean up the shape of it, and I like doing that better than just regular concealer because obviously, like, if you have like hairs that are kind of like growing out, like I have, like my eyebrows haven't been threaded or anything in a while, so it just does the maintenance for you since it's correcting the color. So next I'm going to put on primer, and if you guys know me, you will know that I love the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So yeah, this is what I'm putting on right now. And to hold by my hair, I'm going to straighten it. And you guys have no idea how scared I am because my camera is on manual focus right now, not autofocus, and I film with a T6 so it doesn't like flip out. So I just have to be like fingers crossing the whole time that like I'm in focus. So fun. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Bellum. I'm just going to take that with a Morphe Y7 brush. It's just this dense foundation brush. I'm only using this foundation because my skin is so freaking dry this winter. Like, I can't. Like, I have to be using like dewy products. Like, last winter, I would live in powder foundation. Like, just powder foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush and highlight, and that's it. You know what I mean? But like this winter, like I have to use like liquid foundation because like my skin is just so freaking dry all the time. And I'm just gonna go on a beauty blender and just like tap everything in. I'm sorry if I keep looking like over here because that's where my mirror is. So yeah. So I just put concealer all over my face. I use the Tarte Shape Tape mixed with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation concealers. Now I'm just going to use some cream contour on a Y8 Morphe brush. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. And normally I would put it like on my forehead, but like I'm wearing a hat today, so it doesn't really make sense for me to do that. And I'm just gonna like squeeze the brush and put it all over my nose. Ooh. Yeah, okay. I don't like using my fingers on my nose because I don't want like the product to like, okay, makeup is really like fragile on your nose. Like it spreads off really easy, so I'm just gonna have to be really careful with this because I don't know what I just did. Yeah, okay. Looks better. And then, okay, I'm about to blend out the concealer, but just to let you guys know, since I did color correct on my eyebrows, I put the concealer like on my eyebrows so like it's easy to like cover up the orange that I put there. And now I'm just going to be using the Patrick Star powder and just putting the powder like all over my face because I like to set everything since I did use cream contour. Some Laura Mercier powder, I'm just going to put that all over my under eyes to kind of bake it. Then I'm also going to be doing it under my cheekbones, so when I put bronzer on, it doesn't go everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and mine is like so freaking broken. Like, look at that. I just spilled more of it. Like, I honestly, like, love this bronzer so much. And I'm taking that on a Morphe Y2 brush. And, yeah. I'm so tempted to, like, go up there. But, like, I don't want to get makeup on the hat. Yeah, let me just put a little swoopity swap. And I'm also going to take a Morphe Y15 brush. And look how much powder I have in my hand. A Morphe Y15 brush. And I'm just going to put some of that on my nose just to slim it out a bit. And now I'm just going to pat all of that bake into my face. I'm also going to take a white 3 Morphe brush just to like get like all the excess powder off of my face. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E27 brush And I'm going to, I don't know what to use. I'm going to take my Makeup Shayla times Colourpop Perception palette and see what I can do. I think I'm just going to take Culture and use that as a transition shade. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take Thick. And with a Morphe Y16 brush, I'm going to take Played Out and put that like above my crease. Okay, this is a sloppy blending job, but like it's whatever. Like, okay, I'm going to take this Morphe M441 brush just to help myself out of it because this is so ugly. Okay, I don't know why this is not, okay, these colors are not blending. Which is weird because like I used these colors before, but like it's not blending. Like right here, it's not blending. It's whatever. Okay, I don't really care, to be honest. I'm just gonna take Played Out with my fingers and just put it on my lid. It's so weird how like when you start like filming, things go bad. It's fine. I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to take Played Out one more time and put that on my lower lash line, or you know what I mean. Then I'm going to take Thick again, that orange shade, and I'm going to put that right below that. I honestly love smoking at my eyes just because it just makes, I don't know, just makes a difference. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. smudger brush and I'm going to take Played Out one more time and smudge it really close to my lashes. Powder in my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to take some blush. I'm going to take, I literally use this blush all the time. It is my NARS Narcissist palette, and I'm going to take these two shades. I always mix these two mixed together, and I'm going to use that with my Morphe Y4 brush. I don't know how people don't wear blush. I love it because it adds color to my face. This makes it look more natural, more put together, more just, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just spray it all over my face. Okay, so I just put on mascara on my lower and upper lashes and then put on lipstick. And it's embarrassing. I had lipstick on my teeth. Yeah. And yeah, I straightened my hair small, you know, a little bit. And that is all for today's video. I also like straighten my hair and put on this jacket, and I hate that I'm wearing this jacket because it keeps, okay, lipstick keeps getting on my teeth, like what the heck. But yeah, and I hate that I'm wearing this jacket because I wore this in my last video, but I just love it so much. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!